Good morning and welcome to Grandma Stella's beans. I've seen a lot of beans out there, but these beans are easy, they're quick, and they're delicious. So I've already looked through the beans to see if there's any rocks or small piles of dirt. So now I'm going to rinse them. I've already taken out the bad beans. It doesn't take very long to rinse them. I usually pull out these little dark brown ones too. And I pre-rinsed them, so this is like my second rinse. And now I'm going to take them over to the pot. Now the crock pot, I set it high. And all you do is dump them. And then you're going to need a can of chicken broth, just one can. Dump it in there. And then I put 4 cups in here, but I think I'm only going to add 2 cups to that. So we'll see what the water level is. So yeah, that took 2 cups. So you need 2 cups of water and a can of chicken broth. Now the only thing you're going to add after that, let me get my spoon, is salt pork. They sell salt pork in most stores, and it comes in a package like this, salt pork, and it costs about $1 something. And this pack will do 2 servings of these type of beans in this crock pot. So what I'm going to do first is with my snazzy knife is cut right through the package so you can see how well this knife works. We have this knife on our website, Stellar Fishing, and I'll attach that. So now you pull this part out, that's half of it, and all you do is dump it in there. Make sure it goes to the bottom. The beans are at this level, so if you want to look, here are your beans and the water level is up there. And all you do, put it on high and let it go. We'll be back in about 4 hours and see how it's doing. That's it. We'll be back. Okay, so now it's been 4 hours since we put the beans in the crock pot. I forgot to mention that the amount of beans we added to this size crock pot. And that's the smallest, 16 ounces, 1 pound bag. That's it. Okay, and also after an hour that they were cooking, I did fill it up with more water to about 1/2 inch from the top and then mixed them. And now it's been the 4 hours, so they should be about ready, and it looks like, yeah, they're ready. You can usually tell by the color, and you can take them out, taste them, squeeze them. If you can smash them down, they're ready, and do the taste. Yep, they're ready. That's it. All you did was put in the salt pork and the water, 1 hour, 4 cups, 1 hour, and then the rest of the time, you come and you fill it up to about 1/2 inch from the top. And that's it, they're ready. Now, there's different kind of beans that you can make. You can make borracho beans, and you just add a beer to it. You can make shado beans, and you add hot sauce. This is homemade hot sauce, and when I add this, I also add cilantro, onions, and I think this is a jalapeno. But this you do probably halfway through the 4 hours, either the borracho or this other stuff, or you can just add half of this or all of this of the picante paste. It has the same ingredients, but of course this is homemade, so it tastes better. You can slice this up in about 30 minutes before you're gonna end the 4 hours. You'll have a complete meal, and just chop it up into small pieces. Or you can add the pork skins. Now the pork skins just take 15-20 minutes, so you add them on top. These are delicious, and they'll soften and makes for some great beans. So there you have it. This is your simple, easy beans in a crock pot, small crock pot, 16 ounces of beans. And if you've liked this recipe, please subscribe to my video so you can see other videos.